Healthcare facilities have had to take extra safety precautions during the pandemic to protect their staff and residents. I'm Natasha Lubczenko with your CT Style Express. I visited a Ryders Health center where these new safety protocols are making a lasting difference.
I would recommend anyone to it. I think it's a beautiful place.
James Papp has been here at Chamberlain Nursing and Rehabilitation Center for 2.5 years. He explains how the facility's reaction to the pandemic put his family at ease.
They're very happy. They know I'm safe in here, for one thing, and I'm well taken care of.
Chamberlain is just one of 8 facilities owned by Ryders Health Management, a family-owned organization right here in Connecticut. Following guidance from federal and state agencies, each facility has upheld a high level of safety during the pandemic.
We've really been able to increase our protocols, our disinfecting, our cleaning, our cohorting. We've been able to maintain and contain the virus like we couldn't in the beginning.
And Ryders has implemented a number of protocols to keep people safe, like this COVID disinfectant.
They go through and they spray with a chemical that is a terminal cleaning. It sits so many minutes and then you go and you clean afterwards so that you kill the virus and you kill anything else that's on the surfaces, and really just to maintain that utmost safe and clean environment for our residents and staff.
Other safety measures include air purification technology, these check-in kiosks with hand-free infrared thermometers, and risk assessments for patients upon entry.
The risk assessment helps us identify any risk factors. If they have been exposed prior to coming in, where they were prior to being hospitalized, and that helps us determine how long they need to stay in an isolation area.
And Ryders Chief Clinical Officer William Boyce says COVID cases in their facilities have dropped drastically.
What we've seen is a 70% of vaccination result across our system. That includes employees and residents. So the virus has really started to die out in all the facilities.
All of these protocols put in place to protect patients like James, to help them to a safe and speedy recovery.
It feels really great that someone who's been with us as long as he has felt safe in our environment, and that all of the measures that we've put in place has kept, all of our residents and staff as safe as they can be.
And with COVID restrictions lifting, visitations are opening up, which is very exciting. If you'd like to learn more about Ryders facilities or to take a virtual tour, visit rydershealth.com. For CT Style, I'm Natasha Lubczenko.